everyone, this is Kikimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video sa performance ng ang first batch, should I say, na winner ng The Clash Teens ng Sunday. Isa sa mga paborito ko dito. Actually, dalawa sila yung paborito ko. Pero yung pinaka-paborito ko talaga is the youngest one na nakakot talaga ng attention ko, which is si Martin from Dubai. Martin Miguel from Dubai. And then the second one is Beza, and then si Violet nga. Then magaling din si Violet, though ang kanyang kinanta talaga is very safe. So, I won't take any longer. Tingnan natin kung how they enunciate the song or how they will perform the song that they sang from the first episode of or the pilot episode of The Clash Teens last Sunday. Kasi iba yun eh, may kaba yun eh. Dito, ano to eh, medyo comfy sila dito eh. Medyo, alam mo yun, alam mo yung parang walang lesson ang kaba, should I say. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Go, go, go.
Ito pang siguradong masaya dahil ang mga Teen Clashers na nanalo sa laban nila nung Sunday.
Yes! Ang intense talaga ng mga labanan sa The Clash. Pero itong tatlong Teen Clashers na to, sila talaga yung bida sa episode na yon.
Ay, totoo yan. Ito na nga
Sila talaga for today's video.
Miguel, Violet Santa Cruz, and Beza Tretiza, ang tatlong winning Clashers from
The Clash Team!
Okay, ang promising nito ang promising ni, di ba? The way how he started the song, actually masyado akong na-excite kasi ng Sunday. Kaya hindi ko masyado talaga na-emphasize to. Alam mo, alam to ng mga GMA or mga Queendom or GMA singers na ginagawan ko ng reaction video. Kasi isa sa mga importante talaga for me sa isang singer, how you will caught the attention of the viewers and listeners is how you started the song. Napaka-crucial kasi talaga niyan eh. Kasi pag mag-start ka ng song talaga, if you caught the attention of the viewers and listeners already sa first part pa lang or unang buka pa lang ng bibig mo, all throughout your song, all throughout your performance, aabangan na talaga nila yan. So this is, I notice, hindi ko to nasabi sa reaction video ko kasi ngarag na ako eh, 'di ba? Masyado na akong nalamo ng boses ni Martin Miguel. Pero yun, all throughout his performance talaga sa The Clash is alam mo yung perfect. Kasi na-caught niya na ako eh. Unang buka pala ng bibig niya, yung ad-libs pala niya, yung mga ganong part niya na yon. Nagsabi na talaga ako, we have a winner tonight. And he is so promising. If I'm not mistaken, he is the youngest Clashers, 14 years old from Dubai. Pero have you seen his emotion when he performs sa The Clash? Yung mga mata niya, the way how his body language, alam mo yung parang, 14 lang to eh. Saan to kumukuha ng emosyon sa kantang tong End of the Road? And indeed, he is a balladeer. Parang alam mo yung nakikita ko sa kanya si Jong Madaliday, nakikita ko sa kanya si Jeremiah Tiangco. Oh my God, because he's rips and runs as well. Jeremiah Tiangco is champion of The Clash din, no? Ang kanyang rips and runs, and at the same time, si John Rex naman, yung texture ng boses niya. Anyways, masyado akong madaldal. Diba? Halatang paborito sa ang Martin Miguel. Tingnan mo naman the facial expression. And nagwiko pa pala ito.
Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind? Oh, I can't sleep at night without holding you tight. Oh, each time I try, I just break down and cry.
Grabe yung range ng boses niya. He really knows how to play the notes, no? Alam mo yung mga ascending, descending, rips and runs niya, napansin ko sa kanya. Ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ng mga Pinoy. Alam mo, I cannot wait na makanta niya. May Bruno Mars medley. Oo, pwede. Pwede sa boses niya ang Bruno Mars medley. Or mga Josh Groban na song. Angels Brought Me Here. Ay, doy! Sinasabi ko sa inyo, lalamunin ang microphone nito. Tsaka the way siya gumalaw. Very suabe, no? Swaggy. Marunong kaya siyang sumayaw? Try. Promising, no? Nice. Oh, the placement. Placement never disappoints.
around. Although we've come through the end of the road, still I can't let
He really knows how to play his voice.
It's unnatural. You belong to me. I belong to you.
He changed.
Although we've come to the end of the road,
Oh. Napaka-juicy. Napaka-crispy. So delicious. I love that. Oh my God, he's really handsome here. Seriously, wait. Bakit nawala ako for today's video? Sandali lang. Wait lang. Nawala ako sa sistema. Wait.
it's unnatural. You belong to me. I belong to you.
Grabe yung range niya. Oh, nasarap. Sarap nun. Alam mo, that particular part is really crucial kasi marami na din kumanta ng End of the Road eh. Usually talaga sa part na yan nagkakarak. Kasi biglang key change ka eh. Biglang transition ang boses mo eh. Tapos yung gumagalaw pa siya, di ba? Alam mo yung lung power mo, parang alam mo yung weight lang. Kasi kung magkakrak ka dyan, halatang halata. Kasi from the subtle tone of the song or the subtle rhythm and beat of the, subtle tone of the voice and at the same time, alam mo yung mababa ang pinanggalingan ng nota na kinakanta mo. Tapos bigla kang mag-a-ascending, okay lang sana. Hindi ka mag-ascending, bigla mo talagang tinaas. Kasi kung ascending ka, unti-unti yan eh. Di ba? Crucial na part yan. Yan yung mga points na hindi ko nagawa ng reaction video. Gagawa ko sana ulit ng reaction video ang kanyang performance sa The Clash. Kaso nga lang sabi ko, no. Kasi mawawala na ako sa reaction video ko. Kasi usually talaga, pag ginawa ko na talaga ang reaction video, it's on the spot. Hindi ako nagtatanong, hindi ko nire-research kasi gusto ko mapakita ang genuine reaction ko dito sa channel ko. Love that. Grabe yung control niya doon. Love that. Hala, ang haba ng video ko. Charis. Feeling ko gagawin ko ng reaction video si Violet and si Besa. Hindi, tuloy na natin. Is this Violet? Yeah. Hindi, kailangan ko talagang ituloy to. Kailangan kong i-gawa ng reaction video separately. So yeah, that is all for today's video. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!